Now we have those files pulled down from GitHub right here to our computer. And we can see all of those files here. The first thing that I tend to do is right click and do a new file and make my .env. And this is where we are going to put all of the secrets that we need so that we can run it locally and prepare this to be published on a different host. All right, we have our secrets here. Now what we're going to do is in Replit here, we're just going to click edit as .env, and we are going to pull that over to our computer. So we're going to do that and copy it and just cancel out of that window. And we're going to put that into our .env file with a paste, save it, and close that out. Now you'll see here that this .env is getting ready to be committed to GitHub. And we don't want that because it has potentially sensitive information in it, like API keys, database credentials, things like that. We don't want that to be the case. We don't want that to go to GitHub. Because if we were to share this app with someone, then they would have access to all those keys. So what you do is you go over to your gitignore right here. We're going to click on that, just add a new line and put in .env and save that. And you'll see this will change color from green to a light gray. And it is now removed from our list here of things that would be committed to GitHub. And now it's been updated with just this gitignore file. That's how we keep that from going out to GitHub, from being pushed out. This is a private repo, so it's unlikely that it would be ever found, but this is just additional security to make sure that your secrets stay on your machine.